Hello everyone. Today I am drawing a picture of very easy dog. It is very easy for the beginners. Let's try to draw with me. This is the face and now I am drawing the body. First draw its legs. Here is the tail. It is wearing a beautiful collar in its neck. Here is the ear and has a beautiful eye. Here is the nose. It's very easy trying. Try to draw with me. Let's make it colorful. Yellow color. The tail is also yellow. Red color for its collar. Brown color. How many of you have dog at your house? It is very faithful animal. Our colorful dog is ready. Did you like it? Press the like button.